Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Filmora 11 video tutorial series. In this series of videos, we will see all the features of Filmora 11 and we will see how to use all the features of this video editing software. I have been using Filmora for many years and all my YouTube videos on this channel as well as on the other channels are edited using the Filmora video editing software. And I do have the lifetime access to this software. So when I bought this software, there were only two plans, the annual plan and the lifetime plan. Now when I go to their website, I can see three different plans, that is monthly plan, annual plan and perpetual plan. Now I do not see the lifetime plan included here. However, I do have the lifetime access to this Filmora video editing software. Now in this video, we will see how to upgrade the Filmora X to Filmora 11. It may be Filmora 9 also if you are using Filmora 9 or Filmora 10. Now you can see that I'm currently using the Filmora X, that is version 10.0.6.8, and I'm going to upgrade this to Filmora 11. The update is free. So let's see how we can update from Filmora X to Filmora 11. Go to help and go to check for update. Now it is checking for the update. Now it says a new version of Filmora is now available. This is a big upgrade. Please click free upgrade to download the new version. So I'm going to click on free upgrade and the new version will be 11.4.3. So click on free upgrade. Now you can see the download size is around 445.94 MB. So it is going to take some time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video here because it's going to take some time to download, and we will resume after the update is done.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
Alright, now it says that the download has been completed and please click yes to choose the program running and install the new version. So I'm going to click on the yes. The project has been modified. Do you want to save the changes? So let's click on no. There is no project running on. Now it is upgrading. Alright, so the Filmora has been upgraded and you can see the change here now. Now the dashboard actually looks different than the Filmora X. Now I may need to log in. So let me log in first. Okay, now here you will see the tabs. I see this one is added. This is the new tab, then the Filmora X. Stock media. So these are actually the stock media that we can use. Pexels, you will see the Pexels is one of the website from where you can get the free videos, the stock videos. The 𝗙𝗓𝗞 is also the website from where is the tool from where you can get the GIFs, stickers, everything. You will see it here. If you want to use this, you can simply click on this download option and it will get downloaded. This is also the stock videos. Alright, so this is one of the good feature added to the Filmora 11. You can get the stock videos. Let me try this one. Let's see if we can download it and use it. Alright, so it has been downloaded and I do not see any copyright. So definitely this is the stock video and we can use it. So here is an option to search for the stock videos also. So this is, I think, the good feature added to Filmora 11. Now this is the media option. Earlier we had shared media, sample color. Now here you can see sample color, sample videos, and the sample green screen is also here. Alright, now here you will see all templates. So you will get some templates here. The preset templates can help you make video creation even quicker. So these are the preset templates that you can use. So let me see what are the options here. Let's try this one. Alright, so this one looks good. Let me drag it here and see what we can do. Alright, good. So you can see that this is an image and this is, I guess, the logo. You can edit the glitch box. This is the glitch block. Okay, this is the actually effect. This is the eagle. Let me see if we can. Okay, you will see option to change the text also. So I guess these are the options that which you can use and create your video intro or the logo, the introduction to the video. So this is one of the good option. So I guess there are 113 templates. You can see theme here. Alright, so in the upcoming videos we will go through all these features and we will see how these templates and themes work. Now this is the audio section, so I guess we will get more audios now. Now this is the title section. More titles are included here, so I guess you can see that 2342 titles, so many titles are there. Transitions, okay, you have downloads, so these are already downloaded, so definitely we will be getting more features in Filmora 11. These are the effects, elements. Alright, so these are also added. Very good. Split screen, so these are the split screen templates, you can say. Alright, so in the upcoming videos we will go through the all templates, themes, and how to use them, how to create your video introduction, stock media. We will also go through stock media, audios, titles, transition, and elements. So we will go through all these sections one by one. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.